In 1936, German Jewish philosopher and cultural critic Walter Benjamin published one of the most influential essays in media and art theory, The Work of Art in the Age of Mechanical Reproduction. In this groundbreaking text, Benjamin explored how capitalism and new technologies, like photography and cinema, had transformed the nature of art and culture. According to Benjamin, in pre-capitalist societies, artworks were singular, handcrafted, and embedded in tradition. They carried something deeply personal and powerful, what he called aura. Aura refers to the uniqueness, authenticity, and spiritual presence of a work of art. A painting, a sculpture, or a religious icon had a specific time, place, and ritual meaning. It was not just an object, it was an experience. But with the rise of mechanical reproduction, printing presses, photography, film, that aura began to disappear. Artworks could now be mass-produced, copied endlessly, and distributed to the masses. As a result, Benjamin argued, art lost its originality. It became detached from its historical and spiritual context, reduced to an object of consumption and entertainment. This transformation wasn't just technical, it was ideological. In Benjamin's view, mass culture in capitalist societies is no longer intellectual or critical. It no longer invites deep thought, personal reflection, or social memory. Instead, it produces passive spectators. It replaces contemplation with distraction, and history with repetition. For Benjamin, this was not simply a loss of aesthetic value. It was a loss of freedom, memory, and the potential for political awakening. Technology had made art accessible, but also emptied it of meaning. Today, Benjamin's theory continues to resonate. In the age of digital replication, where memes, music, images, and stories circulate instantly, we must ask, what happens to meaning when everything can be copied? Can originality survive in a culture built on endless reproduction? Walter Benjamin teaches us that when form becomes mass, spirit can be lost, unless we consciously seek to preserve it.